Good afternoon. I'm Tracy, and this is my partner Chloe. Today we are talking about the strategies for 5 companies. And first, we're talking about the Walmart. Walmart's mission is to save Canadians money to help them live a better life and get what they need at a lower price. Customers enjoy a one-stop shopping experience and offer general merchandise in many places, such as fresh groceries, pharmacies, McDonald's, and etc. Canadians can get Walmart's low-quality products in the most convenient way. Customers can book goods online and pick up goods at local stores. Walmart Store Inc.'s team is committed to quality. They have efficient, convenient, high-quality distribution and logistics. Walmart is committed to identifying the products most frequently purchased by customers and has obviously daily low price signs in stores and online. Walmart helps customers understand that they are getting the most value for their own funds. Walmart ensures that busy people can get low-cost and high-quality products in the fastest way. In Walmart, you can see all kinds of Jewish clean food and pure foods, as well as Asian, Indian, and Latin food, meeting the needs of national products. Energetic, diverse, and skilled staff teams help customers every day. To sum up, all are in line with overall low-cost provider strategy. And then we're talking about the Whole Foods. Whole Food markets only products that meet their natural quality standards are sold. The store defines it as minimally processed foods free of hydrogenated fat and artificial spices, pigments, preservatives, and etc. In their online services, lists of foods that are not acceptable can be listed in the list. They announced that they did not intend to sell meat or milk from cloned animals or their offspring. Although the Food and Drug Administration had ruled that they could eat safely, the company also sells many USDA-certified organic foods and products designed to protect the environment and ecology. In order for customers to be completely transparent in purchasing, Whole Food Market have developed many in-store rating systems for various departments. The policy of Whole Food Market is to donate at least 5% of its annual net profit to charities. Some of these tasks are completed through the annual 5 days shop-level donation. They became the first American supermarket dedicated to the total elimination of disposable plastic food bags to help protect the environment and save resources. Many stores have become recyclable points for shoppers to recycle plastic bags. In 2014, Supermarket News ranked the Whole Food 19th in the top 75 North American retailers list, and the British Trade magazine ranked it in the world's best food retailers in 2006. To sum up, the Whole Food Market is in line with the broad differentiation provider strategy. And then we're talking about the Toyota. Toyota's security sense provides an advanced safety function standard for almost all models. In Toyota's cooperative robotics sector, The third generation of humanoid robots are using the latest robotics technology to explore how robots can coexist with humans and help them in their daily lives. Toyota also launched a rental service to help rehabilitative robots for paralyzed patients. 开始吗？Toyota meets global customers' needs without global design and R&D centers. The mass consumer of Toyota Corporation faces the whole world and has a wide audience. It established a global design center to meet the needs of consumers in different countries through the love of different models in different countries, so as to sell its products in an all-round way. To sum up, the Toyota is in line with the best cost provider strategy. The Starbucks purchases and the roast high quality give an inviting atmosphere and a superb cup of expertly roasted and richly brewed coffee every time. Starbucks attracts customers by using good coffee beans to attract customers. Different kinds of coffee meet the needs of different customers and promote consumers to spend in Starbucks. Starbucks store will become a safe haven and free from external troubles. The mission of Starbucks is to inspire and nurture the spirit of humanism. It's a combination of three people: coffee and community. To sum up, the Starbucks is in line with the focused differentiation strategy. The last we'll talk about the Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines homepage has a lot of attention to special discounts and fast incentives. They use promotional means to stimulate consumers to buy. Members of the airline registered for the first time can also enjoy the special room run for the first time and get points on the next flight. The corresponding points can be exchanged for the corresponding discount vouchers or countervailing vouchers. Reservation of vehicles through Southern Airlines will give priority to providing customers with quality vehicles and enjoy unparalleled prices and fast incentives. It's the largest low-cost airline in the world. To sum up, the Southwest Airlines is in line with the focused low-cost strategy. Thank you for listening.